our ex-wife passed behind. Now let the new Roxy clear your mind. Love is the power that we have seen, and now forever is a Roxy team. Forever is a Roxy team.